I've been wanting a Kindle since forever, and I finally purchased my first one last Black Friday, and I'm really happy with it. So I thought I would share my experience using the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition with 32 gigabytes of storage with you guys. Set app is an incredible cross-platform suite which gives you access to over 200 iOS and macOS applications without any additional cost. You only need to pay for your subscription and choose the apps that you would like to use. Now, a great benefit is that you can start a free trial when you use my affiliate link listed down below in the description. First off, I chose the black, but it's also available in denim and agave green. Also, if you're interested in it, I've included a link down below in the description. So let me start off by saying something that I love about the Kindle: portability. It's kind of obvious that it's a lot more portable than physical books, but for some reason, this blew my mind even more after I started using it. I literally take it everywhere, on trips, to the gym to read while I do some cardio, for example. If I'm going somewhere far away, I bring it with me in the car to read in case there's traffic, when I'm a passenger, obviously. So it's great, super thin and lightweight. Additionally, it is a lot more comfortable to read on the Kindle than on an iPhone or iPad, in my opinion. Whenever reading on an iPhone or iPad, the glare is there, and we have to be constantly changing angles for an improved reading experience. However, the Kindle has a 300 pixels per inch glare-free display, and this version is also 10% brighter than previous generations, so you can read at any light. The bezels are thinner too, which is always good, but there's still enough room to rest your fingers without flipping the page accidentally, which is important. Also, it has an adjustable warm light for reading day or night, and you can adjust the temperature of your display according to your preference or schedule, and the light changes automatically. The screen brightness is also adjusted automatically based on how bright or dark your environment is. Now, the Signature Edition, as well as the regular Paperwhite and the Kindle Oasis, are all waterproof IPX8 rated, which protects against accidental immersion in up to 2 meters of fresh water for up to 60 minutes and up to 0.5 meters of seawater for up to 3 minutes. And to be honest, I always thought this wasn't really a must-have feature because I don't have the habit of reading in the pool or anything like that. However, a few days ago, I was carrying my Kindle inside my tote bag and my water bottle was inside it. The only problem, though, was that the bottle wasn't closed all the way. So almost all the water ended up spilling inside my bag and everything got wet. Fortunately, this Kindle is waterproof, so nothing happened to it. In short, we definitely have to think about emergencies too, and not only our lifestyle. So being rated IPX8 is for sure A+. Another cool feature exclusive to the Signature Edition is the hassle-free wireless charging with a compatible Qi charger, but of course, if you want, you can still charge it via USB-C. As of battery life, it has a longer battery life if compared to previous generations, and it lasts up to 10 weeks. And I would say that's pretty accurate considering I only had to charge it once or maybe twice after purchasing it last November. This would also change according to how much you use it, that's for sure, but I would say the battery lasted me around 6 to 8 weeks. Overall, my experience with the Kindle has been great. I've wanted to read more for years, and now I can finally say that I'm doing it thanks to the Kindle. The display is sharp, and 32 gigabytes of storage is excellent because it allows me to store thousands of books, and I love how portable and easy it is. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.